Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another cooking with me video, and I am trying a new recipe, and that is going to be jerk cauliflower bites, which I'm going to make into a wrap. I've only seen people use cauliflower with like buffalo sauce, but I want to try something different. I had some jerk seasoning in our pantry and wanted to switch it up, give it something new, a little bit of a twist. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get to cooking. So I'm starting off with some freshly washed and cut cauliflower, a little bit of seasoning, and I decided to go with some onion, pepper, and garlic powder. Then, of course, your jerk seasoning. We had hot and spicy as well as some mild. And then to top everything off, some olive oil. So I'm starting off with seasoning the cauliflower. I'm going in with, like I said, the onion powder and the garlic powder. I've never actually ate cauliflower like this, so I'm hoping it tastes good. And then I am spooning out some jerk chicken seasoning. I'm finishing up the hot and spicy that we already had. Because I do like spicy foods, but you can also go with the mild as well if you don't really care for spicy. And then I'm mixing that with my hands, making sure that all the cauliflower is covered with the seasoning. And then I'm laying everything out on a cookie sheet pan lined with foil, and I'm topping everything off with some olive oil. I definitely put too much, but hey, we're gonna wing it. Popping that into the oven that I had preset for, I believe, 350 to 400 degrees. And we're gonna cook it for about 10 to maybe 20 minutes. Just eyeball it and make sure it doesn't get burnt. Now, while that is cooking, I want to make a jerk chicken seasoning kind of sauce. So I'm using a little bit of mayo and some of the mild jerk chicken, and all I'm doing is just mixing those two together. Now again, you don't have to do this step, but I have actually used this when I made jerk chicken wraps, so I'm giving it a try with the cauliflower as well. Once the cauliflower is done, this is what it looks like. Believe me, guys, it may look burnt, but remember, it's just the seasoning sauce on top. And now I'm going to make a wrap. I'm using these whole wheat wraps, and then I am going to add all the cauliflower the same way I would if I'm making a regular chicken wrap. And I had already pre-cut some lettuce, onions, tomatoes, and I had to top it off with cheese. I am trying to cut back on the dairy because I do know it's not really that good for you, especially if you are trying to lose weight, but I love cheese. Like, who else is with me? This is really starting to look good. I am so excited to give it a try. And then I'm topping it off with the jerk sauce that I had just made. And I'm trying to make it look all nice, but it's just looking a hot mess. And I definitely think I went a little bit overboard with the seasoning sauce, but this wrap actually tasted so good. I was really shocked and surprised. You couldn't tell that it was cauliflower at all, and it just reminded me as if I were having a chicken wrap. So I hope you guys enjoyed this cooking with me video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!